I realize I did it wrong.
2 Minute Tuesday.
Hi, Tony here, welcome back. Recently I posted a video looking at two Dr. Wack products, a chain lube and a chain cleaner. Now I've since been contacted by Dr. Wack, although I suspect not the doctor himself, but a representative of his company, to say thanks for the video, we really liked it, but you didn't do it properly. As a typical male, I didn't read the instructions. I just used the chain cleaner as I would do normally, and that's not the right way to do it. So I said to those guys, no worries, I'll put another video out just to correct it and we'll see how well it works. I've been leaving the bike to get pretty grubby over the last couple of weeks. It is filthy, it needs a proper clean. The chain is absolutely rank. So this is a good test for this product. Let's show you how I should have used that chain cleaner in the first place. So as you can see, this is absolutely filthy. The bike is going to give a good wash anyway, so I will spray it at this point here at the chain. I would normally do it closer to the front sprocket, but I'll do it here. And the idea is you give it a good soaking like that, and then you leave it for 20 minutes. Okay, so this has now been sitting for 15-20 minutes. If you've got a really heavily caked chain, then they do recommend using some kind of brush, not a wire brush, just some kind of brush, a toothbrush or a soft bristle brush to help break it down. With a jet of water, wash it down. Maybe that was too extreme, a jet of water. And it appears that this has worked very well. As you can probably see, I haven't given this a brush, but that has come off really quite nicely. So yeah, for future reference, if you're using this product, put it on, leave it on for 15-20 minutes, wash it off. Then all you need to do now is leave this to dry and give it a wipe down, and then reapply your chain lube.